everyone, welcome back to LuxeLife. Today we're exploring something that has redefined luxury travel, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, Ferrari, the brand behind the world's fastest cars, has built a motorhome. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen. This is not just a vehicle, it's a mansion on wheels powered by Ferrari's racing DNA. From the outside, it looks futuristic and bold. The sculpted curves, sharp LED headlights, and a massive Ferrari grille give it an unmistakable presence. The glossy pearl white finish, carbon fiber wheels, and aerodynamic body make it look like a spaceship on wheels. Along the sides, a glowing Ferrari logo and illuminated staircase add an elegant touch, while the panoramic glass windows blend style and function, reducing noise and drag for a smooth ride. Step inside, and you enter a world of Italian craftsmanship and comfort. The lounge feels like a luxury suite with handcrafted leather, carbon fiber details, and warm ambient lighting. The panoramic windows fill the space with light, creating a cozy and modern atmosphere. The driver's cockpit looks like something out of the future. Two curved OLED displays, a flat-bottom Ferrari steering wheel, and full digital control over every function. The living area includes a plush sofa, a hidden 75-inch 8K OLED TV, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system that turns the cabin into a private cinema. The kitchen comes with smart appliances, a hidden fridge, a dishwasher, and even a built-in espresso machine. Upstairs, the master suite features a floating king-size bed, climate control, and a glass roof that turns opaque with a touch. The bathroom rivals a five-star hotel, with a rainfall shower, marble finishes, and smart mirrors that display time, weather, or travel data. Underneath all this luxury lies pure Ferrari power, a hybrid twin-turbo V12 engine paired with electric motors delivering 1,200 horsepower. It can go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, thanks to its adaptive suspension and advanced traction control. It even offers a 120-kilometer electric-only range for silent cruising, combining performance with sustainability. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at around $3.2 million, and with custom options, it can exceed $4 million. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just transportation. It's freedom, comfort, and power rolled into one. The Ferrari Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about arriving in style. Fast, elegant, and futuristic. This is the future of luxury living on wheels. Thanks for watching LuxeLife. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing luxury car and motorhome videos.